Oh, I see them.
Hostile, my marker.
Shot him once.
We're all inside the ring. Good. Reloaded.
Missed.
Heads up, dropping the pain.
Shot one, broke his shield.
Reloading.
Reload. One's coming down.
Over there.
He took a lot of damage from my my ulti.
Round 5, beginning ring
recharge
Where'd he
countdown.
go?
I'm gonna recharge my
Give
shield.
my shield a recharge.
They might go up the stairs, maybe.
Heads down.
Oh man. Oh shit, well, this is gonna hurt.
Recharge.
Use this ultimate. I hit him once. Reloaded.
Wouldn't let down range.
Enemy down. Grenade. Recharging my shields. Listen up,
Gonna
I'm
make it
calling
so
a
they can't
lifeline
come up.
package in. 45 seconds, rings just
I
up
like when they
ahead.
come back and shit to me, you finish them off.
Yeah.
Ring ain't far. Half of one.
Do you hear him coming up? Oh, I see them.
10 seconds, the rings just
Enemy
ahead.
spotted.
That's where they are.
Both of them?
I don't know if it's both. I'm gonna smoke to cause some chaos.
Take it two.
Warning, ring closing.
We're so good.
You can get up here, Lee. On this
I
roof.
see him. I hit him once.
I gotta jump down.
Miss.
Round 6, beginning
Just
ring
giving my
countdown.
shields a recharge. Come on, say hello.
I headshot him. He's one.
Where?
On top of the
Enemy
building.
spotted. Throwing arc star.
Shot one guy.
The one guy slid. He's coming in that building most likely.
Rings nearby. 1 minute till close.
Listen up, I'm getting shot at.
You got him?
Enemy down.
Yep.
There's another one
Target
this
spotted.
direction.
Reload.
Finish healing up. Finish healing up.
Attention, the kill leader has been
Recharging
eliminated.
my shields. 45 seconds.
He's
rings close.
aiming for someone.
Very good. We took out the
He has a
kill leader.
It has to
Shotgun?
be just me.
It's inside this building
Hostile,
somewhere.
right here.
Yep, he's in this building.
Hostile, right here.
Okay.
30 seconds. Rings close.
Is that the last one?
Yeah.
I'm rushing him. Can you smoke?
Wait. Yep. I hit him once. I punched him! Oh! Oh! I showed a sniper shot with my finger, punched him. Oh!
Save it!
Oh shit! And